Hey Stampers, it's Brandy here, and I am sitting outside on my deck enjoying the beginning of summer and before it gets too hot. But speaking of summer, I'm so excited. Our summer Creativate Retreat is coming up, so save the date. It is July 25th and 26th. It is a Friday and Saturday. We are so excited, and if you're not familiar with the Creativate Retreat, this is an online virtual retreat. We've been doing this retreat now for, every quarter for the last 5 years. So unbelievable, where it's just been so much fun, and many of you have enjoyed it so much that you're like, oh yes, when's the next date? Keep it going. So if you've been to a Creativate Retreat, I'd love for you to leave a comment so others can know what to expect and how much you've enjoyed attending our virtual online retreats. So we have lots of projects for you. We each design our own projects. We have everything from fun folds to gift bags to cards to 3D items and boxes. Of course, there might be some fun ways to package chocolate in there as well. So there's 4 Creativate leaders. We are Stampin Up demonstrators. We've come together to offer you this wonderful weekend experience of crafting and card making, and we share ideas and tips and techniques all along the way. So it is a lot of fun. If you register during early bird registration, which I highly recommend that, you're going to get 4 additional fun fold tutorials, and they are always so much fun. You get full color tutorials. And early bird registration is June 27th through the 29th. So if you get registered June 27th, 28th, or the 29th, you're going to get those additional 4 fun fold tutorials. That's in addition to the 48 that you get during the retreat. I actually have a few of them here, not all of them, but a few of them. And I just was excited to show you all of the wonderful ideas, the inspiration that you're going to get when you purchase the Creativate Retreat, not to mention the community. It's just so much fun to come together and to create together. We do give you the tutorials ahead of time so that you are able to cut and prepare, and we recommend that you do you. You can either join us for crafting and craft along, or maybe you watch and enjoy the retreat and you craft later. Or maybe you can't actually be there on the weekend of the Creativate Retreat, and that's okay. All of the presentations are filmed, so we do lives. So we come to you live and we demonstrate our cards for you. And good news, in the event that something happens or something breaks, we do have backup videos, and we filmed those on purpose because we want to make sure that you don't miss any of the card making and the tutorials, that you can see exactly how everything works. So we do have backups for all of our videos, but we're excited to come to you live as well. So I'm just excited. I'm going to show you this one. This was one of my projects that I did at our last retreat, and it's called Blended Stripes Background, and I have a couple of my cards right here, so I thought I would show this one to you. Just really fun and really colorful. And then of course, one of the things at the Creativate Retreat is we always, we don't want any naked envelopes, and we always decorate the inside for you. So you guys love this guy, right? This is a rainy day, and then just kind of a fun, showed you kind of how to do your starburst, if you will. Now, one of the other cards that I was so excited to teach everyone was this card right here. Check that out. It looks hard. It's totally not, but look how fun that is. And so we did that like lots of different ways. I did it with some embossed images, or cardstock, and then some stamped backgrounds and so forth. So here's one more from that sequence or that series. I just thought that was so fun, and then you can see on the inside. So that was one of my favorites. You know, one of the cool things is that for the Creativate Retreat, we have an exclusive Facebook group. And this Facebook group is amazing. If you are a part of Facebook and you're interested, you're welcome to join it. And what we do is we encourage sharing there. We encourage you to post your card that you created from the inspiration we've given you, and then you get to see everybody else's cards too. So there are hundreds of cards out there, and it is so much fun. We go back out and we look at those cards, and it's just so fun to see what you do with the cards that we share. So just really a lot of fun. The Creativate Retreat, like I said, the registration is coming up June 27th through the 29th. Each Creativate leader has their own registration link to register. It's a unique link, so be sure that you register with your Creativate leader. Okay, I think that's it. If you have any questions, please visit brandyscards.com/creativate, or you can go to Brandy's Cards blog. You'll see it in the navigational bar and just click on Creativate. The link to register will be there as well. And don't forget, save the date. The Creativate Retreat is coming up quickly, July 25th and 26th. So we're going to kick it off Friday night, and then we're going to go all day Saturday. So, you know, we also, I should mention, it just hit me, we've got our pre-retreat challenges. So those go on the 4 Mondays before the event itself. So then you can just kind of, you know, dust off those crafting supplies and kind of get in your creative mojo. Those are always so much fun. So you definitely want to enjoy those as well. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. Please leave me a comment. Let me know if you registered, or, you know, what you love about the Creativate Retreat. I'd love to hear, and I know the other ladies would too. So thank you so much for considering to register with me, Brandy's Cards. We'd love to have you as a guest of Brandy's Cards for the upcoming event. So we'll talk to you soon. Happy stamping. Bye, y'all.